Good morning. Welcome back to a brand new week of learning. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Are you excited? I'm excited. Yippee! Okay, what day is it today? Today is Monday. That's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of January. January is the first month of the year. That's right. Should we read the date together? Come on. Today is Monday, January 25th, 2021. Now, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2, that's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. That's right. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. That's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. And when it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. That's right. Okay, today we're going to the farm. Hee-haw, let's sing Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a pluck, pluck here and a pluck, pluck there. Here, pluck, there, pluck, everywhere, pluck, pluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here, moo, there, moo, everywhere, moo, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here, quack, there, quack, everywhere, quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. With an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh-neigh, neigh-neigh, with a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a trap. With a rattle, rattle here and a rattle, rattle there. Here, rattle there, rattle everywhere, rattle, rattle. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! That was so fun. Super. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Hee-haw! It's time to see our blends. Are you ready? Here's Berry Bear. Say hi, Berry Bear. Let's sing them together. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Super. Who's that? Freddie Fox. Fa, fe, fi, fa, fa. Fa, fa, fi, fe, fa. Who's that? Gary Goat. Say hi, Gary Goat. You ready? Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. Super. Who's that? Henrietta Hen. Ha, he, he, ha, ha. Ha, ha, he, he, ha. Super! Jerry Jaguar! Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Super duper duper! Lucy Lamb! La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Super! Maddie Monkey! Ma, 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 ma. Ma, 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 ma. Nester Nest. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Super. Peppa Pig. Pa, pe, pe, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pe, pe, pa. Queenie Quail. Qua, que, que, qua. Qua, que, que, qua. Rosie Rabbit. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Sammy Seal. Hi, Sammy Seal. Sa, 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 sa. Sa, 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 sa. Tony Tiger. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Superdy duperdy. Victor Vulture. Va, 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 va. Va, 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 va. Super! Wesley Weasel. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Yucky yak. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Zuli Zebra. Say hi, Zuli Zebra. Hi. Za, 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 za. Za, 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 za. Super duper. But there's a few more I have over here. They were hiding because we did them the other day. Do you remember them? Danny Dog. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Bye, Danny Dog. And last one, Kathy Cat. Ka, ka, ki, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ka. Superdy duperdy. Good job, everybody. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Sight word. What does it say? The. A sight word is a word that does not go with the rules of phonics. We have to memorize it. The. Super good. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. One vowel words. When there's only one vowel in the word, it says the short sound. So this is ah. We're going to do short vowel sounds with the letter ah. Are you ready? One vowel words. Van, can, fan, had, jam, man, nap, sat, sack, ran, ham, can, cat, Pam, wag, wax, band, at, van. Super duper duper. You guys are amazing lookers. Okay, now it says letters and sounds, pages 88 through 90. So we're going to do 3 pages today. Can you do it? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. All righty. Remember we were at the farm? Look, letters and sounds. Get it out. Now open it up to page 88. Can you see it right there? 88. Look, there's a tractor. You can find a tractor on the farm. Ooh, so here it says 3. Fill in the circle under the vowel that completes the word. Color the picture. You know how to do this. And you get to color the tractor and the field. Super duper. All right, number 89. 89. You're going to write your name up here on the top. And then 1 says, write the vowel you hear in each word. So I'm going to say the word, and you need to listen and write the vowel you hear in the word right next to the picture. Okay, are you ready? Bug. Bug. What vowel do you hear? Write it down. Zip. 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 What vowel do you hear? Write it down right there. Tent. Tent. What vowel do you hear? Write it down. Sock. Sock. What vowel do you hear? Write it down. Candle. Candle. What vowel do you hear? Write it down. Bill. Bill. What vowel do you hear? Write it down. Okay. Number 2 says, circle the letter that completes each word. Okay? So you have to circle the letter that completes each word. You know how to do it. You've got this. And our last page for today is page 90. Wow, 90. It's the father of the 90 family because it begins with a 9 and it ends with a 0. Super. Circle the 2 rhyming words in each row. They did the first one for you. Do you remember how to do rhyming words? The ending sound of the word has to be the same for words to rhyme, like ham and jam. They both end in am. Ham, jam. You do the rest, and I'll put the song. There was a pig, and he was big, and he did a jig, and wore a wig. Okay? And then number 4 says, read each sentence. Remember, a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with either a period or a question mark or an exclamation mark. So you're going to read this sentence and then draw a picture to go with each sentence. Okay? You know how to do it. Read the sentence. You're great readers. You're doing great. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.